Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to learn how to make money online with ChatGPT? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're going to show you how you can use this powerful language model to increase your income and achieve financial freedom. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge technology that can help you create high-quality content quickly and easily. Whether you're a blogger, a content creator, or a digital marketer, ChatGPT can help you save time and increase your income. In this video, we're going to show you some of the most effective ways to use ChatGPT to make money online, including creating SEO-friendly blog posts, generating product descriptions, and even creating chatbot scripts for businesses. With ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless. Content creation. Use ChatGPT to generate high-quality articles, blog posts, and other types of content for websites and blogs that pay for content. Q&A. Use ChatGPT to answer questions on Q&A platforms and earn money for your expertise. Social media management. Use ChatGPT to help businesses manage their social media accounts by creating engaging and relevant content. Data entry. Use ChatGPT to automate data entry tasks for businesses and individuals. Research. Use ChatGPT to conduct research on a variety of topics for businesses, academics, and individuals. E-commerce product descriptions. Use ChatGPT to generate compelling and accurate product descriptions for e-commerce websites. Email marketing. Use ChatGPT to write persuasive and compelling email marketing campaigns for businesses and individuals. Transcription. Use ChatGPT to transcribe audio and video recordings for businesses, podcasters, and other content creators. Virtual writing assistants. Use ChatGPT to assist authors, journalists, and other writers with their writing projects by providing suggestions for sentence structure, vocabulary, and grammar. Chatbot development. Create chatbot using ChatGPT for businesses to automate customer service interactions and answer frequently asked questions. SEO optimization. Use ChatGPT to optimize website content and meta tags for search engines to boost website traffic and revenue. Language translation. Use ChatGPT to translate documents, websites, and other types of content into different languages for businesses and individuals. Virtual assistant. Use ChatGPT to help busy professionals and entrepreneurs with scheduling, research, and other administrative tasks. Virtual tutor. Use ChatGPT to provide online tutoring services for students, helping them with their assignments and exams. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has given you some valuable insights on how you can use ChatGPT to make money online. Remember, the key to success is consistency and hard work. Keep learning and experimenting with ChatGPT, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on online business and marketing.